La Sagrada Família is a large Roman Catholic church in Barcelona, Spain, designed by Catalan architect Antoni Gaudi. Although incomplete, the church is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Barcelona's most popular and famous attraction, the Sagrada Família, is a testament to Antonio Gaudi's modernist style and quite possibly unlike any other church in the world. The texture and detail on the facades are intricate and incorporate items seen in nature, like fruit, as much of Gaudi's work does. The inside is huge. It's estimated that it can hold 13,000 people, with vaulted ceilings and columns designed to be reminiscent of trees. The church is still under construction, but the central nave, apse, and crypt are open. Seeing the Sagrada Família at night with lights on is impressive. This is the time when you understand why people say that it is built of bones. Construction of Sagrada Família had commenced in 1882. Gaudi became involved in 1883, taking over the project and transforming it with his architectural and engineering style, combining Gothic and curvilinear Art Nouveau forms. Gaudi devoted his last years to the project, and at the time of his death at age 73 in 1926, less than a quarter of the project was complete. Sagrada Família's construction progressed slowly and was interrupted by the Spanish Civil War, only to resume intermittent progress in the 1950s. Construction passed the midpoint in 2010, with some of the project's greatest challenges remaining and an anticipated completion date of 2026, the centenary of Gaudi's death. Describing Sagrada Família, art critic René Zerpt said, "It is probably impossible to find a church building anything like it in the entire history of art." Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on these social networks. If you have any comments, please post them below in the comments section. See you next time.